I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on calculus. We are taking some very important test examples here. These are based on tangents and normals. The question here is, the tangents to the curve f of x equals to x squared minus 5x plus 4 at points P 1, 0 and Q 3 minus 2 intersect at R. Find the area of the triangle PQR. So we are given the function f of x as equal to x squared minus 5x plus 4. To find the tangents equation, we have to first find the slope at the given point, right? So let's find the derivative first. Derivative of this function is 2x minus 5. Now at point 1, P, x value is 1, so let's find the derivative at 1. Substituting 1 here, we get 2 minus 5, which is minus 3, and the derivative at 3 is what? Will be 2 times 3 minus 5, where 6 minus 5 is 1. So we get the derivatives at these 2 points. Now, derivatives means slope, right? So we can actually use the equation y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1 to find the equation of tangent line. Correct? So let's figure this out. We'll work out on this side of the page. So at point P, which is 1, 0, we find that the slope at P is actually equal to f dash 1, which is minus 3. Right. So the equation will be what? Equation will be y minus 0 equals to minus 3 times x minus 1. Or we get y equals to minus 3x plus 3. So let's call this as our equation number 1. Now let's consider the point Q, which is 3 minus 2. And the slope at Q is 1. Therefore, the equation of tangent line will be y minus the y value, which is minus 2. That makes it plus 2. Slope is 1 times x minus 3. Perfect. So we get this equation. We can actually now write from here what is y equals to. Y is equal to, we have x minus 3 minus 2, or we can say y is equal to x minus 5. We'll call this as our equation number 2. Now clearly when x is, we have got two equations. One is y equals to minus 3x plus 3. The other one is y equals to x minus 5. So from this, let's equate equation 1 and 2, right? We are equating both the y values. So we get from here x minus 5 equals to minus 3x plus 3. Bringing this to the left side, we get x plus 3x equals to 5 plus 3. So 4x equals to 8, x is equals to 2. And we know y is x minus 5, so y will be equals to, which is x minus 5, will be, x is 2, 2 minus 5, so we get y equals to minus 3. Okay. So the point R, which is the point of intersection, will be x value of 2 and y value of minus 3. Is that clear to you? So we got the point of intersection, and now we are going to find the area of the triangle. So we have 3 points. So we are given point P, which is 1, 0. We know point Q, which is 3 minus 2. And then we know point R, which we just calculated as 2 minus 3. Now to find the area of triangle PQR, we can use the formula, which is equal to half of absolute value of x1 times y2 minus y3. So this goes in order, x1, 2, 3, right? So plus x2, 2, 3, 1, right? So y3 minus y1, okay, plus x3. So it is like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, right? So you have to see the order. Order is important here. So consider this 1, 2, and 3, right? So we have to go in an order, correct? That is important. So if I write x3, then it is 1, 2, right? So it is y1 minus y2. Is that clear to you? So that is the area of the triangle. Any scalene triangle can be, we can find area for any scalene triangle using this formula. So I can actually, you can actually pause the video, use this formula and find the area. We'll do it on the next page, calculation of this area. Let me copy the values once again. So we have this, these points. We have P as 1, 0. The point Q as 3 minus 2. And we found point R as 2 minus 3. Correct. And the area of PQR is equal to half of absolute value of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So important to see that this order should be maintained, right? Otherwise you can make a mistake. Is that clear to you? Okay. So we'll just substitute the values and figure it out. So we get half of absolute value of x1. Start from here now. So x1 is 1, y2, y3. So minus 2 plus 3 plus x2, which is 3 for us, y3 and then 1. So 3 and 1. So minus 3 minus 0 plus 2 times y1 and 2. So 0 minus 2. 0 minus minus 2 becomes this. Clear? So that is half of, this is 3 minus 1 is 1. Minus of 3 times this is minus of 9. And 2 times 2 is plus 4, right? So what we get here is half of absolute value of 5 minus 9. Do you see absolute value is important, right? Half of, then this value is minus 4 absolute, which is 4. So we get 2. So our answer here is that the area of triangle PQR is 2 units square. Is that clear, right? So it is kind of important to put the absolute value. Area is always positive. So note, area is always positive. Correct? So use absolute value while calculating area. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.